Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on a short eyebrow tutorial. Remember to like, share and subscribe if you want to see more makeup content. So I started off by brushing the brow hairs into place. I then took a brown eyeliner pencil and I started tracing along the shape of her brows. Using this same pencil, I started to fill in the gaps of her brows to get a fuller look. I always try to keep the shape in the front of the brow lower than the shape to the middle and edge of the brows. I then went in with the Eyebrow brow pomade to set those brow hairs into place. At this step, don't worry about the brows being too crazy because we are going to clean up the edges of the brows with concealer. Then like to brush out the brow hairs and the product together in order to blend the brows perfectly. Using the Eyebrow concealer in the shade Suede, I started neatening up the line under the brow. Now, always going with a lighter shade under the brow and a shade closer to your skin over the brow in order to get the perfect brow finish. Then you just blend the products out that is under the brow and over the brow using a beauty blender sponge or a makeup brush, whichever you desire. And this is the finished results.